How to add and enable free VPN on Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add and enable free VPN on your Windows device. So let's get started. First, open up your settings. After you open up your settings, head over to Network and Internet. On Network and Internet, you'll find VPN setting. Tap on VPN and there you will see VPN connections. You can tap on Add VPN, and after you do that, you will see VPN connection. Here you can select your name first. I'll just name it VPN test. And here you will see server name or address and VPN automatic and stuff like that. So what we'll do here is we'll head over to our web browser first and search for VPN book. Head over to vpnbook.com, and after you do that, scroll down and there you will find different VPNs. So tap on open VPN account, and after you do that, there you should see different VPNs. So let me just select the free one, and after you tap on one, it will take you to a VPN page. Here you will see username for the VPN, so I'll just select this. So let me just copy this first. This is the username and you'll see the password here. So all you now have to do is just tap on this, head over to your settings again, and under server name or address, simply type that in, and under username and password, it's completely optional. This is optional as well. So here you will need to type in server name or server address, which you will get from VPN book. So you can explore this VPN book page. So I can just head over to VPN book. There you can see different VPNs, open VPNs, which we can use. And after you find a VPN that you can use, you can just copy it and paste it here and tap on save button to save the VPN. Then you can tap on connect to connect the VPN and you're good to go. And that's how you set up and use free VPN on your Windows device. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.